Hi friends, welcome back to Kids Zone with Trishy. That's me. Today we're going on a trip. We're going on a trip to look at some books. Where do you think we're going to go on the trip to look at books? And borrow books. Borrowing means somebody shares their things with us and then we give it back. So the library, we borrow books and many other things too, like some toys and puppets. Do you want to go with me? Can you say yes? Thank you. Let's go. We're going to the library. Going to the library. We're going to find some books to read. Look, a book drop-off. If you want to put your books in here, when the library's closed, you open it and you place your books in there. The library has so many books. It has books for big people, adults, and young people for kids. This is the kids section. You could do projects. You could play with toys. You can relax and read a book. There's a train set to play with, puppets. If you've ever been to a library, give me a thumbs up. Libraries have so many books you could pick from. And if you need to use the bathroom, guess what? They also have bathrooms. And they have a drinking fountain. I got a big book from the library, a huge one, and I got a little book. And they're both about ducks. This one's called Have You Seen My Duckling? And I got another duck book called Waddle,